Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Is this your first time using Wise? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know, from setting up your Wise account to sending and receiving money to your wallet. Let's go. Before we start, let me give you a brief overview. Wise is the leading platform when it comes to transparency, giving you the real mid-market exchange rates unlike traditional banks. It's safe, secure, regulated, and what I like the most is their low transfer fees, especially for international payments. For a €1,000 transfer to the USA, you can expect to pay only €6, which is remarkably less than what most other transfer services charge. To begin with your account registration, you can click the link in the description box below with a new user bonus on your first transaction. Wise offers two types of accounts: personal and business. Personal account is for individuals who live, work, or travel internationally. You can send, spend, and receive money globally while holding over 40 currencies in one e-wallet. The business account, on the other hand, is designed to simplify business operations and save money on international payments. You get features like virtual credit cards for employees and batch payments to save time making multiple transfers. Just be aware that you'll need to provide valid proof of business in order to sign up. Of course, you can choose whichever account best suits your needs, or even both. But remember, Wise only allows one personal account per person. Wise may close accounts without notice if duplicates are created. Next, enter your email address or sign up conveniently with your existing Google, Facebook, or Apple account for a faster registration process. Please note that specific documentation requirements vary by country, but standard acceptable identification includes a passport, driver's license, or national ID. Simply follow the verification prompts and make sure your uploads are clear to avoid delays. After registration, the first thing you should do is set up your currency balances. A balance is a digital wallet for specific currencies such as USD, Euro, Pound Sterling, CAD, and more. These balances allow you to receive or send funds like a local without needing foreign bank account, and you can switch between currencies at better rates than most banks. To add one, simply click Add Currency from the home dashboard and select Balance. Search and add the specific currency from the drop-down list. You can open balances in up to 40 currencies and more if necessary. The next step is to set up your recipient list. This is optional, but I personally think adding one in advance makes the transaction smoother, particularly if you plan to send money to the same people more than once. Navigate to the Recipients tab. Click Add Recipient and choose their default currency. There are two ways to add a recipient. First, quickly find them using their email, phone number, or Wise tag if they have a Wise account. The other alternative is to directly send to a bank account. You can add either your own, someone else's, or another business or charity. Be sure to fill out the form with accurate account information to successfully add the recipient and avoid transfer issues. If you plan to request payment for your Wise account, you can either send an invoice with your billing information or create a direct payment link for your customers. To send an invoice, Wise has a free invoice creator page to customize your request as needed for your payer. For your reference, I will provide the link below to access the invoice generator tool. Here, you can manually define important billing information such as the invoice number, customer details, description of the goods sold or services provided, and most importantly, the total amount due that you expect to receive. Once done, send the invoice to your customer and they can pay directly using the details provided. Another option is to share a payment request link, which is especially useful for personal accounts. Note that Wise allows you to request money in any currency, but if the sender doesn't have a Wise account, your request must be in a currency for which you have account information. To get started, go to the specific currency balance you want to receive, click the Request button, and choose the sender information. If you're not sure of their account details, or you prefer creating a request applicable for everyone you share it with, click Anyone to create a shareable payment link. Once generated, the link comes with a QR code that payers can scan for easy payment. Before you share the payment information, you can also specify the exact amount you want to receive and add a note if necessary. Save the QR code or copy the payment link and send it via email, messenger, or any platform of your choice. Now let's try transferring money locally or abroad. Click the Send button from the home page and choose the currency you want to send. Next, enter your recipient's WISE tag, username, email, or phone number. If both of you are WISE users, the transfer is instant with the lowest transfer fees. Don't worry, if the recipient doesn't have a WISE account, you can still send money directly to their bank account at the real exchange rate with zero hidden fees. Enter the amount you want to transfer and choose how to pay. You can fund the transfer using your WISE balance, a credit card, or directly from your bank account. When the payment is verified, WISE displays an estimated arrival time so you know exactly when your recipient will receive the funds. Finally, click Continue to confirm your international money transfer and follow the brief WISE verification process to complete the transaction. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.